One of the most significant benefits of metalworking is the versatility of materials involved. Metals such as steel, aluminum, brass, and copper can be shaped, welded, and finished in countless ways. This flexibility enables artisans to craft diverse products, from furniture and home decor to tools and jewelry. The ability to work with various metals allows creators to explore different styles and functionalities, catering to a broad market. This versatility can lead to a wider customer base, increasing the potential for profitability. The durability of metal products is another compelling advantage. Unlike many materials, metals are inherently strong and resilient, making them ideal for creating long-lasting items. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of metalworking project ideas you can make for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Customers often appreciate the longevity of metal products, viewing them as a worthwhile investment. This perception can enhance sales, as consumers are more likely to purchase items they believe will stand the test of time. Creating durable products not only satisfies customer demands, but also reduces the frequency of replacements, contributing to a more sustainable approach to consumption. Moreover, the craftsmanship involved in metalworking can command a premium price. High-quality, handcrafted metal items often carry a sense of authenticity that mass-produced alternatives lack. Artisans who take the time to perfect their craft can create unique pieces that resonate with consumers seeking originality. This emphasis on craftsmanship can lead to higher profit margins, as customers are often willing to pay more for items that reflect quality and artistry. Metalworking also offers the opportunity for continuous skill development. As artisans engage with various techniques, such as welding, forging, and machining, they expand their skill sets and enhance their capabilities. This ongoing learning process can lead to more complex and ambitious projects, further increasing the potential for profit. The acquisition of new skills can also boost confidence, empowering artisans to tackle larger projects or even diversify their offerings. Creating metalworking projects for profit can also be a rewarding way to express personal creativity. The artistic aspect of metalworking allows individuals to infuse their unique style into their creations. Whether designing intricate sculptures or functional items with artistic flair, metalworkers can explore their creative impulses while building a business. This blend of artistry and entrepreneurship can be deeply satisfying, as makers take pride in their work and the impact it has on their customers. Moreover, metalworking allows for the creation of custom pieces, enabling artisans to cater to individual customer needs. Many consumers are drawn to personalized items that reflect their tastes and preferences. By offering custom metalworking services, artisans can establish a niche market and attract clients seeking unique solutions. This personalized approach not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also fosters loyalty, as clients are more likely to return for future projects. The potential for collaboration within the metalworking community can also contribute to profitability. Many artisans connect with others in related fields, such as woodworking, ceramics, or interior design, to create complementary products. Collaborative projects can lead to innovative designs that merge different materials and techniques, appealing to a broader audience. These partnerships can also enhance visibility within the market, as artisans can leverage each other's networks to reach new customers. Additionally, metalworking projects can be marketed through various channels, enhancing visibility and sales potential. With the rise of e-commerce platforms and social media, artisans can showcase their creations to a global audience. Online marketplaces allow metalworkers to reach customers beyond their local communities, expanding their market presence. Utilizing social media to share the creative process, finished products, and behind-the-scenes content can engage potential buyers and cultivate a loyal following. The opportunity to create functional items that serve practical purposes can also be a significant advantage of metalworking for profit. From tools and hardware to kitchenware and garden accessories, the demand for functional metal products is consistently strong. Artisans who focus on creating useful items can benefit from steady sales, as customers are often willing to invest in high-quality tools and accessories that enhance their daily lives. This focus on functionality can lead to repeat business, as satisfied customers return for additional purchases. Moreover, metalworking can contribute positively to personal well-being. Engaging in hands-on projects can serve as a therapeutic outlet, allowing individuals to express themselves creatively while alleviating stress. The satisfaction derived from completing a project can boost self-esteem and overall happiness. This mental well-being can translate into enhanced productivity and focus when working on metalworking projects, ultimately benefiting the bottom line. The potential for innovation in metalworking is another compelling aspect of this craft. As technology advances, new tools and techniques become available, allowing metalworkers to experiment and push the boundaries of their creativity. Innovations such as CNC machining and laser cutting have opened up new possibilities for intricate designs and precision work. By embracing these advancements, metalworkers can differentiate themselves in the market and offer cutting-edge products that appeal to modern consumers. Additionally, the environmental impact of metalworking can be a selling point for eco-conscious consumers. Many metals are recyclable, and the process of creating metal products often generates less waste compared to other materials. Artisans who prioritize sustainable practices can appeal to a growing demographic of consumers who value environmentally friendly products. This focus on sustainability can enhance a brand's reputation and attract customers who are committed to making responsible purchasing decisions. The ability to participate in local markets, fairs, and exhibitions can also enhance the profitability of metalworking projects. These events provide artisans with opportunities to showcase their work, connect with potential customers, and receive direct feedback. Participating in such events can increase visibility and create a sense of community as artisans network with other creators and engage with their audience. The exposure gained from these events can lead to increased sales and brand recognition. The social aspect of metalworking also contributes to its appeal. Many artisans find community in local workshops, makerspaces, or online forums where they can share ideas, techniques, and experiences. This sense of belonging can provide motivation and encouragement, leading to greater success in their endeavors. Networking with other metalworkers can also lead to valuable collaborations and partnerships, further enhancing profitability. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked metalworking project ideas you can make for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.